Want to start using Dola AI to manage your reminders and schedule with the help of artificial intelligence. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a Dola AI account from start to finish. We'll cover signing up, choosing a login method, connecting your calendar, and getting your account ready for everyday use. So let's jump right in. Begin by opening the Dola AI website in your browser or downloading the mobile app from your device's app store. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to get started or sign in. Next, choose the sign-in option that works best for you. Depending on your device and region, you may see options like Google, Apple, or another supported account. Simply select one and continue. After selecting your preferred sign-in method, enter your account credentials if prompted. Review any permission requests, then confirm them to continue. This allows Dola AI to securely create your account. Once your account has been created, Dola AI may ask to connect your calendar. Allowing access helps the assistant organize your meetings, reminders, and upcoming events in one place. To receive reminders on time, enable notifications when Dola AI asks for permission. Notifications help ensure you never miss important appointments or daily tasks. Depending on the version you're using, you may have the option to adjust basic preferences like your time zone, language, or reminder settings. Taking a moment to review these options helps Dola AI work more accurately. Now that everything is ready, create a simple reminder to confirm your account is working properly. Try something like, "Remind me to drink water this afternoon," and make sure it appears in your schedule. That's all it takes to create a Dola AI account. You're now ready to start organizing your schedule, managing reminders, and using AI to stay on top of your daily tasks. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.